This is the story of a summer in your city. It's 95 degrees and in your pants it ain't pretty. Your body is a casserole of wet salty hair. Your armpits smell like someone wiped them with some dirty underwear. Oh, a CPA in DC shouldn't be scared of July, and a meter maid in Memphis shouldn't struggle to stay dry. When they're rushing to a meeting, they should be able to strut without the feeling that they dropped a glass of water in their butt. But there's one way you can get through this nasty heat. Whether you're in New Orleans or in Milwaukee, you want to wear more, wash less, smell good, impress at work, on a date. Summer will be great with cotton.
Smells better than
all the other threads. Summer will be so great with cotton.
The perfect fabric for this stinky season. It's your favorite for a reason.
No longer care about sweaty underboobs every day, whether you work in taxidermy or for the TSA. Imagine hipsters and farmers could wear flannel through the year, and non-perspiring politicians would even seem sincere. These United States, you can never get us down, but we should be able to go for dinner without sweating through that gown. If we strip down, pack away those hot clothes for another day. No sir, it's not too late. Summer will be great with cotton. Summer will be so great. It's the perfect fabric for the sweaty season. It's your favorite for a reason. Summer will be so great with cotton.